everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Let's Cook It. Today I want to show you how to make a pasta salad, but it's not going to be a regular pasta salad. It's going to be a gourmet pasta salad, and the most important, I'm not using any mayonnaise in it. So for the pasta, I'm using the mini tortellini, which is tricolor tortellini and stuffed with cheese. And every time I see it in the store, I always want to do something with it. So finally, I'm making gourmet pasta salad with it. So to begin, make sure you bring your water to boil, and very important, salt, little bit olive oil, and we're gonna put the tortellini in. And doesn't require a lot of time boiling. This one's about like 4 minutes max, between 3 minutes and 4 minutes max, because it's fresh pasta. Perfect. It's been boiling for 3.5 minutes, and I always use the ice bath. Straight to the ice bath and let it cool down a little bit. You leave it in the ice bath for about a minute and a half or 2 minutes. And you just transfer it on the plate and let it dry so the dressing can grab into the pasta. Now in the meantime, we're gonna chop some vegetables. So let's start with the cherry tomatoes. I'm going to slice them in half, just like that. I have here artichoke. I'm just gonna slice it into quarters. Roasted red pepper, we're just gonna give it a rough chop. And this roasted red pepper, it's a store-bought, it's kind of like a pickled in the jar. And for the asparagus, rough chop, and of course they're pre-washed, and they add some crunch into the pasta salad, the tortellini pasta salad. Fresh basil, rough chop as well. And I have here some fresh tarragon as well. I'm gonna use the leaf. I love the smell of the fresh tarragon because it smells like a licorice, and it's going to be amazing gourmet pasta salad. So now let's transfer the tortellini into a bowl. All the chopped vegetables and the herbs goes in. And for the dressing, going to be a super yummy, super easy dressing to make. So I have here a pesto sauce and a zesty Italian dressing. Mix it together. Dressing goes in. Parmesan cheese, and it's time to mix them. Look at that beautiful, colorful pasta salad. Now you can serve it right away, or you can let it rest for half an hour or so, and it will taste much better. The pasta will absorb all the flavor. Looks amazing, and I'm pretty sure tastes fantastic. Little Parmesan on top. And the moment of the truth. Nice. Ya habibi, that's what I'm talking about. It's a gourmet pasta salad, super refreshing. All yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.